Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Shopify Search and Discovery app. This powerful tool is designed to significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience by making it much easier for them to find exactly what they are looking for. By improving search accuracy and offering relevant product recommendations, the app helps boost engagement and sales. You can effortlessly manage all its features directly within your Shopify admin, giving you complete control over your store's search functionality. Optimizing your search results is crucial for customer satisfaction. The app allows you to create synonyms, ensuring that even if a customer types a common misspelling or an alternative term, they still find the correct products. You can also boost specific products, making them appear higher in search results for particular queries. Furthermore, defining custom filters empowers customers to easily narrow down their searches, improving their overall shopping journey and increasing conversion rates. Beyond search, the app excels at enhancing product discovery. You can implement related products recommendations directly on your product pages, encouraging customers to explore more of your inventory. Consider showcasing frequently bought together items at checkout to increase average order value. Additionally, leverage sections like new arrivals or trending products to highlight popular or recently added items, ensuring customers always see fresh and exciting options, leading to a more dynamic shopping experience. To maximize the app's effectiveness, follow a few best practices. Regularly review your search analytics to identify common search terms, gaps, and areas for improvement. Ensure your product titles, descriptions, and tags are always accurate and detailed, as this directly impacts search relevance. Finally, don't hesitate to test different recommendation strategies. Experiment with various types of recommendations and placements to discover what resonates most with your customers and drives the best results for your online store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.